According to Stewart himself, nature is not rhythmic and its rhythms are many and varied. Our hearts that beat and lungs that breathe demonstrate rhythmic cycles whose timing adapts to our body's needs. The contents of the chapter that we'll talk about today will revolve around four main ideas. We will talk about Edward Muybridge's Gates analysis, periodic oscillation, half bifurcation, and the symmetry breaking theory.
It's been so long since I played this year. And don't you know that breathing, even walking, are all about rhythm? We actually create patterns that turns into rhythms without us knowing and without our consciousness. Colleen mentioned about oscillation and bifurcation, and before anything else, we wanted to define them. Let's go?
The oscillation is terminated by the repulsed orbits of the unstable limit cycle, which end up on a trajectory with infinite period.
Most of this chapter is about gate analysis, a mathematical biology that grew up around the questions, how do animals move and why do they move like that? Examples of this are the legged animals moving of limbs or how they walk. And the organizing principle behind many such biological cycles is the concept of oscillation.
Moving on to bifurcation. Now, what is bifurcation, you might ask? Well, the word bifurcation is used because of a particular mental image of what is happening, in which the periodic oscillation grow out from like a ripple on a pond growing out from its center. In other words, bifurcation is the division of something into two parts. Half bifurcation can be seen as a special type of symmetry breaking. Now, unlike the example of symmetry breaking described in the previous chapter, the symmetries that break relate not to space but to time.
Bifurcation, oscillation, and symmetry breaking are all connected to each other, right?
To end this video, all I can say is that there is an underlying mathematical unity. Nature respect its unity and make good use of it. And one of the messages of this chapter is that the same general mathematical concept can apply on many different levels and many different things.
Thank you for watching.